Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together as we will dive into Pika Labs, the AI video generator that's now available for free. Pika has introduced some groundbreaking features, and in this tutorial, we will explore the platform and demonstrate how you can easily generate videos from text using Pika. Let's start from the beginning. Open your browser and go to pika.art. Look for the Join Beta button. Pika Labs functions within the Discord ecosystem, much like Midjourney. To kickstart your creative journey, join Pika's Discord server. This will grant you entry into generation rooms, where you can commence the process of crafting captivating videos. Being a newcomer, anticipate a series of questions that will be posed to you. Provide your responses to these inquiries and, once completed, make sure to give your consent to Pika Labs' terms and conditions. This step is pivotal as it sets the stage for your creative endeavors within the Pika Labs community. Once you find yourself within the confines of Pika Labs, you will have the opportunity to tailor your experience to your liking. This personalization process involves selecting a theme that resonates with your preferences and style. This way, you can make your creative journey with Pika Labs uniquely your own. To gain a comprehensive grasp of Pika Labs' inner workings, it is advisable to heed the guidance offered through on-screen prompts. When you are in doubt or seeking direction on how to interact with the AI, simply click on the next button and let these prompts serve as your compass through the realm of Pika Labs. Now, it is time to embark on the exciting journey of crafting your very first prompt. Begin by typing /create followed by the text of your prompt. This simple command will set the stage for your creative exploration within Pika Labs. It is important to bear in mind that Pika Labs operates within the Discord community, where a collective of creative minds is constantly at work. As you set out to generate videos and prompts, remember that your creations will be on display for fellow community members to see. It is a collaborative and shared space where the fruits of your creativity are open for others to appreciate and engage with. When your video emerges from the generative process, you will likely be astounded by the transformative power of AI. Witnessing your text come to life in a captivating visual format can be nothing short of extraordinary. Wouldn't you agree? It is a testament to the remarkable capabilities of this technology. Should you find the need to refine or alter your prompt, the process is straightforward. Just locate and click on the edit icon. By doing so, you can fine-tune your instructions to the AI, allowing for a more tailored output. Now, with this newfound flexibility, I will proceed to adjust my prompt and eagerly anticipate the unique video it will generate this time. This iterative process adds an element of excitement and experimentation to our creative journey within Pika Labs. While you patiently await the generation of your video, take this opportunity to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of content crafted by fellow community members. Here, you can actively participate by liking, commenting, reacting, and engaging with the creations of others. This communal experience fosters connections with kindred spirits who share your enthusiasm for AI-generated videos, creating a dynamic and interactive atmosphere within the community. While you are navigating through this creative space, don't hesitate to explore more of the content and interact with your fellow users. And if you are interested in discovering additional videos like the ones you are watching now, be sure to click the subscribe button on our channel. This simple action ensures that you will stay connected and have a consistent supply of engaging content at your disposal. I hope that this tutorial has equipped you with the necessary knowledge to initiate your adventure with Pika Labs. Feel free to join the community and commence your creative journey, transforming your text prompts into AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.